Disassemble the whole system and maintenance port. After the final collection of the residual materials, the batch extractions completed before the shutdown of the machine. Turn off the heating. Slowly opening valve 15 and valve 13. If it is shut down for long periods, lower all the heating temperatures down to ambient or below. When the pressure is balanced, close the valve 15. Close valve 1, 2. Turn off the extraction and separations one by one. Turn off the pump and gas pump. Turn off the power, powering down the chiller. Turn off the main power supply. Close the cylinder master valve. If the high-pressure pump is shut down for long periods, under low-pressure conditions, CO₂ might become dry ice. Only under low-pressure conditions or pressure balancing conditions, fasten the valve and fix it. Screw the nuts. Release counterclockwise. After releasing and cleaning, and tighten the valve 6. Let's tighten it up in the back. Tighten it in this way. Again, tighten up in the front side. The alarm lights is loosen and lift it when it is installed.